Tonight, the drama in the courtroom during the murder trial of George Huguely. After prosecutors rested the case this afternoon, Huguely's attorneys moved for all but one charge to be dismissed. ABC 2 News' Christian Schaefer joins us from Charlottesville with more on what happened after the jury was removed from the courtroom.
George Huguely's defense attorney tried to end the murder case against him today. The judge in this case, Edward Hogshire, ruled that's not going to happen. After the prosecution rested its case, George Huguely's defense attorney, Francis Lawrence, argued that there was not enough evidence to support the murder charges, and he filed a motion to dismiss them. But Judge Edward Hogshire disagreed and overruled Lawrence's motion.
This is not a situation where the Commonwealth has to have proven the case beyond a reasonable doubt. They have to have enough evidence for the case to go forward. That is, the judge takes the evidence in the light most favorable to the state, giving the state all the inferences and all the presumptions. And so unless there's absolutely no evidence that would sustain a charge, at this stage, at the end of the prosecution's case, the judge is going to allow the case to go forward, which he did on all 6 counts.
This morning, several UVA lacrosse players testified, Huguely's own teammates, talking about his erratic, drunken behavior the day before Yardley Love's death, behavior that had grown so common, they say, that they were prepared to have a talk with him about it, a talk that didn't happen in the wake of Love's death and Huguely's arrest. The defense's first witness was a toxicologist who testified that if Yardley Love's blood alcohol level at the time of her death was 0.14, which is what the medical examiner said, then he said it would have been a little bit higher than that in the hours before her death, and that if it was, she would have been acting erratically at that time. Reporting from Charlottesville, Virginia, Christian Schaefer, ABC 2 News.
Now for up-to-the-minute updates.